Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In this meditation, we allow life to change us for the best. It can be so easy to allow life to change us for the worse. We experience so much heartache or pain. We can feel disconnected from others, distraught, or just general unhappiness or malaise. And so we use this meditation to guide us to remembering our own divinity, remembering that we can and will allow life to change us for the best, that each life event and experience has something beautiful to show us and to teach us. And it may not be apparent right there in the moment because, after all, we're human. But when we sit with it, when we meditate, when we write, those golden nuggets are revealed to us. And we can learn and grow, expand and ascend and become brighter and heal our planet. Enjoy this meditation. Let's drop into our meditation. Light a candle, play your choice of music, and when you feel ready, you can bring your outer gaze inward. Bring your awareness to your breath. Our intention for this meditation is to drop inward, to become connected with our own inner wisdom, to open our hearts to receive all good things, to receive divine guidance, to receive our wishes coming true, to receive love, to be in the space of our own love. We take a deep breath into the space of our own love. We choose to nurture this connection with ourselves to grow stronger, wiser, deeper, more authentic, more open, accessing greater truth, love, and joy on this earth. And we breathe so deeply to recharge ourselves. We visualize earth and sky energy, both moving through us as we inhale deeply. This earth and sky energy meets in our heart. We breathe so deeply into our heart. We are practicing staying connected to earth and sky energy as we move through our days ahead. We use our breath and our intention. Breathing deeply, exhaling deeply, and when you exhale, allow your physical body to become heavy, to rest. Soften. We soften our whole physical body as we exhale. We bring our awareness to how we let life change us. We sit with the question, how do I let life change me? Does life change me? Sitting here in this present moment experience, take a deep breath into the present moment. Here we are, rooted and reaching, connected to earth and sky, breathing deeply into our own hearts. Life is changing us. Our breath is changing us. Our intention is changing us. We are growing brighter, stronger, and more authentic, more clear, more hopeful, more positive. In this present moment, deep breathing experience. From this grounded place, allow your mind to wander, gently wandering. What life experience or life situation arises in your mind right now? Think back to the time when you felt impacted by life. And allow this time to bubble up in your mind, in your heart. See yourself standing in the middle of this situation that occurred. And from this present moment reality, seeing yourself back then, how did life change you in that moment? Can you acknowledge how you were changed? Were you humbled? Were you more closely connected to emotion? Were you torn away from something or someone? And then looking back, can you become aware of a gift of this situation? What was the gift? What was that shiny golden nugget that you received from moving through this life event? It's there. Can you see it? See yourself holding this tiny golden nugget. What is that bit of wisdom and truth that you uncovered as a result of this experience? What did you learn? And in your mind's eye, see yourself giving yourself a big hug, patting yourself on the back. You did it. You did it. You moved through this life event and you came out the other side with a golden star. Thank your past self. See them skipping off joyfully. Come back to your own heart. What does your heart feel? And looking forward, we know there is a path ahead of us. And in this moment, we take the opportunity to fill this path, with our hope of allowing life to change us for the better. We fill this path with wisdom to see beyond the pain and the struggle, to see the growing, the evolving, the ascending, the beauty that is and will unfold. As we continue to walk this path, we choose to see the golden nuggets that arise in every encounter. We use each opportunity, we use each experience and event as an opportunity to continue to learn and grow and evolve and ascend, to grow in our own brightness and brilliance. What do you choose to fill this path ahead with? Do you see rainbows, heart bubbles, golden streaming sunshine? Do you see a river or anything? What do you see? How do you feel this path ahead that you will step forward on? Set an intention to allow this path to unfold for your highest good. When we come back. We come back again to our hearts, to this present moment. What do you feel? Do you feel uncertainty or heaviness or achiness? Do you feel lightness, openness, and joy? What's there? If you do feel anything heavy, let's take this moment to send this heaviness down to the earth with our breath. Take a deep breath into this heaviness or this achiness. And we release it down to the earth. We say, thank you, Mother Earth, for receiving this and transforming it and growing flowers with this. I no longer wish to hold this Please hold it with me. Take several deep breaths, releasing at your own pace. We thank earth and sky. We thank the brilliance of our own hearts. We thank all those in our lives who we encounter, who we have encountered, who we do encounter, who we will encounter. Thank you for showing more of me to me. We trust this beautiful unfolding of life. And we bring a smile to our face in joyful anticipation of all good things that are on their way to us. When you feel ready, you can begin to move and wiggle and open your eyes and find your way toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to do a free write, allowing your heart to express whatever it wishes to express in this moment from your meditation, from your heart, from your thoughts, trusting that this beautiful process brings you into greater connection with your beautiful self for healing and growing and becoming all that we are meant to become. Thank you for subscribing and being a part of this community. See you next time.